And pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone is well rested. Hope everyone's ready to make some bamboo today. Get it? Let's get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Let's see. Is there any news today? Penguin Pringles. Check your email. Let me see. News at 2 p.m. got meeting minutes. Market could just be waiting for that, but it's without the press conference, so you don't really expect it to like be a big move. I mean, it could be worth trying there to do Forbidden Jitsu, but yeah. Trade at your own risk. Moderna just exploded. Moderna just absolutely exploded. I'm not sure if you guys trading stocks, but I've created like a screener that finds two leggies across the universe of the stock world. And Moderna came up for fail second entry short. Thought about it, but I'm not like big on medical stuff. Market open in 2 seconds. Maybe fill the gap. Today could be a strong bull day. We're bouncing off the 20 EMA on the daily chart. Could be a strong bull day today, or could just kind of hang around here, and then tomorrow be a strong bull day. Who knows? The 5-minute or the regular trading hours has a gap to fill. Mark the chart on the gap. If the price action's decent, then you kind of expect these gap fills. You expect the gaps to fill. If it gets like super choppy, then it's kind of like a gamble. It's like actually long on the 2500 tick chart. Hmm. Okay. Let's try here. Okay. 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 Got smoked. All right. I'm gonna stay away from this market for a little bit. It went all the way down, tested the bottom, came right back up within 500 ticks. That's a little bit wild. Whatever. All good. All good, pandas. What in the world was that nonsense? I thought we'll try to fill the gap on the fail second entry long. So I just put it here, thinking if it get down here, then most likely trigger down here. And it literally just pokes beneath it, puts me in the trade, and then snaps back up. 500 ticks, it moves like 25 points. It moved all the way up here in 20. It moved 33 points and 500 ticks. Absolutely incredible. All right, fair enough. Fair enough. Strong bull trend day today, perhaps. We got a wacky, like, you know, kind of pattern here. Expanding triangle type situation. But it's tilted downwards. Sick, I don't know. What else to do here? Pandas, hope you guys are doing well. Let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. Penguin, good morning. Bob Stocks, welcome. Luis, good morning. Sherman, good morning. Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. One trade, I'm down 268. Absolutely sick. Sickening here. It's all good. You know what? I had like a fantastic last 2 days. I'm guessing today is like the Reaper. It's gonna be a Reaper day. It's like one of those days. If you don't control your DLL, like you're absolutely gonna be just crushed. So we're gonna take it easy today, pandas. We're gonna take it absolutely just easy. I maybe just end it here. You know what I mean? Like I feel like I'm like in a place where I just feel like today is that day. You know, it's that Reaper day where the market's out to take souls. Bub says, "How's it going?" Toronto just made 1,300. Congratulations. Very nice. Well, Panda's like, what's going on here? Feels like trading rangy. It's actually pretty amazing. It bounced off the top of this channel, like on the dot. It rarely happens. You have an 80% chance you at least have a fail breakout. You know what I mean? Okay. Could be this. I don't know. Okay, strong bear bar. I don't know if it means much. But because we made a lower low and a higher high, so I'm not sure if that means much. Sorry, I don't know what happened. I got sick somehow in the middle of the summer. I got sick. I don't know what happened. Perks of having a baby panda. You know what I mean? I'm eyeing this channel. We bounced off it perfectly from the top. I'm thinking we're gonna bounce off it from the bottom. I mean, I already felt like today was a little bit diabolical, so I'm just ready for just anything. It's hard for me to go short here when I knew that this potential channel was forming. And look at this trap triggers and then reverses, stops you out, then goes down. Right, stuff like this really like annoying. Should I just go short? I don't know. It's hard to say. If anything, I want to go long back into this channel. Like that's what I feel most comfortable with. gap to fill this line. Obviously, if we're kind of setting up something here, I'm going to try. But it's having a lot of retracements. Big bear moves, retracement. Big bear move, retracement all the way back up. Big bear move, retracement all the way back up to break even. 240 SMA and the 20 EMA converging here. Be patient as possible. Bad thing of having, you know, good days of trading, a couple days in a row, like 2 days in a row. It's not even the price action was that good. I just ended up trading it well, but you kind of feel overconfident. You feel like perhaps you just kind of know something, and you rely on your own ego rather than your setup, your strat. You do not want to do that. This market will humble you very quickly. I think I'm gonna just miss this gap fill, regardless what happens. Like, the market's a little tricky right now. Like, I'm looking at it; it's a lot of retracements, and that means that if it gets close to a support, it can just reverse off of it before it even gets there. I do not like that. I end up pushing down after I tried to go short, which is again diabolical. Like, I don't think this is the purest or cleanest price action. We do have a very strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart forming though. On that alone, I may just try to go short, but it might fill the gap without, like, on this candle. Yeah, let's see, fill the gap on this candle. Doesn't fill the gap yet. Okay, gap fills now. So it just makes like a beeline to it, but it's hard for me to go short anywhere here in this area where I felt most comfortable because there was a channel forming. And also, it's second to short, but it's ugly, right? Your signal bar is the worst, right? It's a strong bull bar ending on its high. Not much you can do about it. You just let it go. Glad it happened, whatever. No more unfinished business. Like, if this reverses back up, I'm ready to go long. Okay, I'm ready to go long if it presents itself. Okay, obviously not. Big push down right off the rip. I'll consider that breakup trend. This is your channel. Breakup trend, new low. Power toes. Get reaped. Reap or get reaped, you know what I mean? Reap or get reaped. Big push up. I'm ready to reverse this. I'm certainly ready to reverse this. Feed volume low. Okay. Check, 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 check. How about them apples? All right. Still looking to go long here. Well, let's see. Can we get a setup? One time. No setup. 3 bull bars above the 20 MA. Okay. People just went long here on the bull bar here. I get it. I feel that. I want to go long, but I don't know how. I don't know where my entry is. There we go. High or low here, straight up. Do I just take it? That's being pretty greedy. Being pretty greedy if I just go this high or low, but that might be all you get in this situation if this is a strong reversal. I said I'm gonna pause. The quality of your day does not depend on your P&L, but rather how well you stick to your rules. All right, we'll try here. I actually prefer that. I prefer that little snap to the downside. I'm in. Ugh, that's annoying. It's one of those days, huh? One of those days, huh? We're holding 25 point stop loss. Let's see if we can survive the 25 point stop loss. Okay, guess not. We'll try again one more time. It's gonna be one of those days. I already know it. It's gonna be one of those days. I already know it. It's gonna be one of those days. I already know it. Yeah, that's to stop me out. It's fine. I already know it's gonna be one of those days. I'm out. I think I'm done for today. I already know it's gonna be one of those days, pandas. Like I think I'm done for today. Like what? What is this nonsense? Takes me out here, 25 points, bounces off 25 points, comes back. I mean, it's one of those days. I think I'm done, pandas. Like I don't want to trade anymore today. Like I already know what kind of day it's gonna be. It's already diabolical. Like I want to like it did hit a 1-to-1. No, it missed the 1-to-1, so it didn't even hit the 1-to-1. It's one of those days, pandas. Like I already know. I already know. I don't want to overtrade today. Like I just want to end it. You can jump the sim. Look at this. Now it goes up right. It's creating an expanding pattern here out of nowhere. Right, higher highs, lower lows, and it's coming right back down. This is already one of those days. I already know. This is not a day like I want to keep trading. Like it's better if I just let go. I lose $655 today, and I just call it a day. You know what I mean? Like I lost 3 in a row already, so I'm 0-3. I just like I I don't really want to trade today. Like I already know the character today. It's gonna be diabolical. It's gonna keep creating setups, maybe even good setups, and then fail them. It's just one of those days. All right now. Now I may jump the sim, seriously. I may just jump the sim because this is just it's not even worth trading this, to be honest. It's not even worth it. So dumb. So stupid. I'm already mad. I'm already angry. I already know what kind of day it's gonna be. Oh, so dumb, so stupid. I'm just. I already know, pandas. I'll tell you right now. I already know what kind of day it's gonna be. Are you really gonna be a strong downtrend day today? Right on the 20 man, the daily chart. That'd be surprising, but okay. Maybe break the previous day's low. Broke the previous day's low. This is a little bit surprising, but okay. I mean, I don't care which way you go as long as you go. I mean, this is what I wanted to do before it reverses back up all day. Could be possible. Let me look at the 5-minute measure move. We don't hit a 1-to-1 yet on the measure move on the 5-minute chart. If you sold here, 5-minute traders are holding to make a 1-to-1 at least, and a 1-to-2. That's like they're probably the main target. So I'm thinking you're hitting the 1-to-1 on the 5-minute chart. Or you went short here on the strong bear bar. That's their target. Most likely we'll get it too. I may go short here, but I would need like bounce off the resistance here. I'm not gonna just sell it here. I could care less if it makes the measure move without me, because I already know today's diabolical. So I'm just might as well wait for the absolute best setup, because shenanigans today. That nonsense.
Target filled.
Take it. All right, fair enough. Made the 1-to-1 on the 5-minute chart. All right, those ones sold here made the 1-to-1. They're looking for their 1-to-2. For them, these people, they need to get the 1-to-2 because this is like a 50-50 setup. So you need a 1-to-2 to be pretty profitable here. I'm happy with that, whatever. We're down 600, now we're down 350. How much did I make on that trade? I made like 400 on that trade. Right. 1-to-1 was made, so could reverse here. Let's see. Bubsock says, "Oh, huge candle down. I hate missing moves." Me too. I think we gotta change our mindset, though. You know, gotta change our mindset to I hate breaking my rules. How pure is that? How pure is that? I'll take a reversal here. Whatever. I'll try again. Give me a feel like I'm just short. Whatever. Again, the problem here is, will we even get our setup? And the quality of your day does not depend on your PNL, but how well you stick to your rules. Even if you miss big moves, gosh darn it. Woo! I'll take the hit here. I do not care. If I like the second entry long after this, then I'll take the second entry long. It's another trap that fails. I'll try one more time to reverse this back up. One more time. Ugly signal bar, but we'll try anyways. Start printing a really ugly signal bar. One last time. Okay, we'll try. If we lose here, we lose. So be it. I'm looking for the big reversal here. Okay, another push up. I'm not going to add on to it just because it's pretty much in the same spot as my original entry. So I'm just going to let it go. Let it go. Let it go. All right, come on. At least get the previous day's low. At least, bare minimum. Darn.
Target filled.
I'll take that. I'll take that any day. Easy peasy. We got a dream, pandas. We have a dream. Only the dream only a panda can have. And it's getting absolutely crushed. What a take profit. What a take profit. What a take profit. Amazing take profit there. So sick. Very good take profit in my opinion. I mean, it was more than a 1 to 2. Went long here. Oh, you know what? It wasn't even a 1 to 2. Man, I should go for 1 to 2. Close enough for me. I don't feel bad about that at all. Okay. What a retracement. What a ridiculous retracement. So stupid. Anyways, massive move up, massive move back down, just a retrace, take you out break even, then goes back up. So one of those days, you know. Josiah says lost 100 points this morning. 2 A+ setups turned around and lost very aggressive. Ooh, that's not good. Maybe that's a sign though. It was an A+ setup. Because usually A+ setups, if they lose, they reverse very hard the other way. When A+ setups lose, it's like the reversal of it's like insanely strong. I'm in. Second entry long coming off the trend line and 20 MA. I'll try whatever. New high? Not even. Can it get there? Not even. Just holding. It's a decent setup. I don't want to see what happens if it reverses there. I was scared this wouldn't happen. Good skunk. I was scared that was gonna happen. I mean, I'm gonna try, pandas. If it gives it to me, I'm trying this. If it wants to do this, I will try. Oh boy, it's a huge risk here. Feels like I just short. Unfortunately, it's gonna be a lot of risk. Let's see. Most likely we'll lose, but there is a chance, pandas. There might be a chance. Who knows? Ah, we're done. I tried, pandas. I certainly did diddly doo try. We're done. I tried. All good. Take the hit. I guess it was worth it. I don't know. You know what? It wasn't worth it because today is absolutely diabolical, and I should have just recognized like I should just not be taking setups. That's a darn shame. That's a darn shame. I tell you. Are we in trading range now? Should I just be going long here instead? Should I be looking for limit order trades? Should I be looking for limit order trades instead? Yeah, I'm too scared to take this trade. Now 587. Fortunately, that's really big risk. I should have not taken that trade on the risk alone. It's just too big. Are we turning to trading range here? Today's the day that it's like the market's out to take souls. I already know it. I already know it. Yeah, I'm over trading for some reason. I need to have a hard stop. I need to have a hard stop. What's my hard stop, Panis? Negative 700. How about that? Negative 700 hard stop. Basically, if I lose one more time, hard stop. Yeah, that's fair, right? If I lose one more time, hard stop. Not even that. It shouldn't even be about me losing. I mean, that is part of it. But just recognizing the market cycle is not tradable. That should be the hard stop, right? Like I gotta incorporate the ability to read price action to like as a factor to see if I should continue trading or not. You know what I mean? The DLL should be last resort. DLL is last resort. You know, like all things fail. YL, just stop when your accounts are blown. I really don't want to blow these accounts. I've had these accounts for like almost 3 weeks now. I've grown like close to them. You know, I've gotten to know their names. we have moments together, you know. We've gone through the hard times and the good times. I say it's such a bad day. I don't know. It's just the price action's been like that for a while. Completely sideways right now. If I did go short here, I would have lost that trade. Extra signs of being diabolical here. Nothing to do here. Just watch. A super tiny trading range. Very tiny. We're down almost 600. I was down 700 earlier, I think, right? Let's not do the one more trade. It's true. Uh, Panda, you know what day it is. You know what day it is? Wednesday? Oh, Whiskey Wednesday. Ah, I see. Well, that's thing of the past. Good morning, Panda. How's the price action? There is FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. And I did say it could get choppy today because of that. But it's just a meeting minutes. It's not the conference, so not as big of a news, in my opinion. Untradeable, in my opinion, right now. This is nothing to trade. I should just close the charts down. Be happy with my negative 500. Just take it on the chin. Move on with my life. I really should. This is not tradable. Yeah, this nonsense. Look to the left of the chart. Completely chopped. And you're still within the range. I mean, I guess technically you could. You could. You could try to be a little cheeky here. Trading extra small. I know this day is going to be absolutely ridiculous. 1 micro. We're going to scale in here. No need to. Doesn't even reach here. Doesn't reach the top. Doesn't reach the top. So no reason to scale in. I don't want to go long on the bottom because the original trend was down. So it could break out and be strong. You do not want to really scale in when the market isn't a breakout. It is the worst. It is literally the worst thing that can happen to you. Scaling in when the market's breaking out, and it's just worst case scenario. You know what I mean? Okay. Doesn't even reach the top here. This could push down hard. I don't know. To me, when I looked at the left of the chart, I just sense just tomfoolery. Tomfoolery here. Second to short. If it wasn't such a ridiculous price action, I might have considered going short here. But taking consideration how stupid this day is, I'm gonna actually just go long here. I'm gonna go long on the first bull bar here. We are going long, pandas. Thinking the ridiculous price action is going to keep reversing back up and down. So like I'm not even scared. Like I think I can come up break even at the very least. So stupid.
Target
I come up
filled.
break even there because I already broke the low of my original trade. So dumb. Wow. How stupid can you get? How dumb of a price action can you have right now? Super teeny range. It's so small. As far as I can tell, the only way money is like just to buy limit orders near the bottom of previous pivots. A little scared to go long here because I feel like we're going to test this low. So I'm a little scared to go long because it's quite actually far away. Do I watch Kellyanne at all? Wild says, does she look like Ronda Rousey? If not, then no. I don't know. Has Kellyanne ever showed her face? Kellyanne has like very niche, very niche content, but we are in that niche, so it's actually pretty nice. Yeah, I mean, I support Kellyanne. I like her. A little rough around the edges, but you know, you need to be a little bit. Okay. I don't know. Like I said, I'm scared to go long because I felt like this could happen. Is this a strong bear trend day today? Perhaps. Or there's some gaps to be filled, right? Ah, okay. This gap was filled. I should have recognized that. Even more so, this gap. This is a huge gap here. Very huge gap. It's very far down. It's way down here. All right, the 1 to 2 maybe being made here. Just trying to look for it. I don't know. What do I do here, pandas? Do I go short? Do I go long? How do I trade this? Limit order, stop orders? What do I do? First entry off the 20 MA. Am I full blown bear right now? Am I full blown bear right now? I mean, give me a second to short off this trend line 20 MA. I'll take. Sure. If you give it to me, I'll take this. Even better with a good signal bar. I'll take it. I mean, whatever. Well, it's the worst that could happen. You lose the trade. Ooh, I'm glad this happened before I entered the trade. Your new signal bar sucks. Ooh, okay. This really sucks. The worst. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. Pretty horrendous. Get ready to lose. Get ready to lose this trade. I mean, it's... I'm trading one contract right now. I'm actually crazy. I'm actually crazy. I'm only trading one contract right now. Like, whoa, whoopie-doo? Whoopie-doo? Trading one contract? Genius move, though, because I'll probably lose this trade.
Target filled.
I really don't care. It was one contract trade. I mean, just let it go. 2 bear bars in a row. I mean, whatever. We do make that new low, I think. Not yet. We're trying to. Terrible signal bar. I mean, that's the main reason why I didn't like that trade. We make a new low. Terrible signal bar. It was like one contract. I was like, oh, it's not even worth whatever. It's not worth winning, not worth losing. All right. Make that new little bounce up immediately. Like, why am I still here today, pandas? Why am I still trading? I should just ended it a long time ago. You know what I mean? Tried to lose on purpose. All right, here we go. Another second too short. Doesn't trigger. I'm gonna reverse this actually. Watch this. I'm actually very keen on looking for reversals today, just because the market's absolutely ridiculous. No entry. All good. Whatever. That's pretty. Whoa. It's actually kind of pretty. Aesthetically, this is a very good setup. Couldn't get in. Could not get in! Couldn't get in! Oh, it just moved so erratically at the end of the candle. I couldn't even get in the candle. That's painful, pandas. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, I missed the move. I mean, what a move. I couldn't get in. Pandas. It was so erratic at the end. I couldn't even get in there. So frustrating. It makes it 1 to 2. I mean, what a trade. It makes it 1 to 2. Oh my gosh. This is chipping away at me mentally. My mental capital is like absolutely shot. It is shot. It is shot right now. Mental capital is absolutely shot. Wow. Your next door neighbors heard someone saying, "I can't get it in." Oh boy. How frustrating is that? You saw me try to place my order and it was kind of moving around all crazy. What a setup. What a setup. What a setup. What a setup. It's like entry long. It's not tradable though. Oh, sorry. Coughed right into the mic. You're welcome. Um, every trade feels like a gamble. Coin flip. John Q says, I am required to state that I am an agent from the IRS here for observation. Mr. IRS, I'm negative $500. Can you give me a deduction on my taxes, please? Let's talk about dumb trades. Here we go. Dumb trade number 1,000,000. Oh, let's get it. Ooh, I'm glad it didn't trigger. The IRS nothing to worry about here. Ah. Bright side, Ben, we're still up $700 on these accounts. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. The market is just absolutely wild right now. I just don't know. Man, so frustrating. Whatever. Okay, let it go, pandas. Just let it go. Move on. Next trade. Let's see. Can we get a setup? Market's moving at least. That's a good thing, right? Market's moving. It's very choppy, but it's moving. 2,500 tick chart can't get above the 20 MA here. High or low? Have you ever played I I want to say it's Sims, but I don't think it is Sims. I think it's like man, is it Sims? It might have been Sims. But it's like one of those city building games. and and you can set the game to be like socialist or capitalist in terms of economy. And you can set like the tax rate, you can do like certain things. And it kind of shows you, it's obviously simulates whatever, you choose. And I remember in the game, the best way for the government to make money was actually to put zero income taxes. The government does zero income taxes. And they made the most money that way. The hack was, as a government, you make these public like amusement parks and public like swimming pools and stuff, and you charge them to enter to have like fees for those. And you made more money doing that than charging any type of income tax. Because people had so much money. They were just like spending it on everything. I forget what game it was though. I'm guessing it's SimCity because I could be wrong. It's one of the city buildings. I mean, SimCity is the only one I really know. All right, this market just got completely dried up. I don't know what's happening here anymore. I guess. Okay. Bear bar ending on low, folded. Bull bar ending is high, probably get folded here. Why not? Yep. Bull bar ending on high gets folded. Very cool stuff. Just very marquee things of very bad price action. We're down 578 pandas. I don't mind just closing it for today with this loss. Um, I'm just recognizing that, really this price action is just not tradable for me. I don't like this type of price action. It's not my thing. Good signal bar to go short. Maybe a good setup. Regardless, I'm just like, I just don't know. Hard for me to read this stuff. Everything feels 50-50 to me. Okay, trap trade. I mean, if this fails, I'll go short or whatever. I prematurely entered that, whatever. Okay. Cool. It's an outside bar. Cool. We lose. It's all good. It was a coin flip. Okay, maybe not. Okay. I saw it like poke to the downside. I'm like, maybe we got a chance here. Oh, that teased me. That teased me to the maximum here. All right. Stop being such a tease, please. Is this 25 points? All right, so 25 points. I'll take 25 points if you give it to me. I'll take 25 points if you give it to me. I'm guessing we're gonna test this low. We'll see. Probably get stopped out though. Yeah, it's all good. It's the name of the game. It's the name of the game, pandas. Yep, get stopped out. Of course, of course, of course. Income tax is a scam. That is happening. Is it? Oh, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Income tax is a scam. Honestly, with our national debt, what's the point? What's the point? Like we're literally throwing buckets of water into a forest fire. Like, what's the point, pandas? What's the point? It seems very worthless, useless. How much is Apex charging per MNQ round trip? I think you can look it up. Let me see. MNQ. I mean, how updated is this? I have no idea how updated this is. But Nasdaq's $1.02. Round trip, $2.04. I think TPT has very good commissions actually. Because I remember when I was trading TPT, it was like always like a flat number. I don't promote TPT anymore. They did the affiliates dirty. I don't promote them anymore. I don't even trade them anymore. So focused on this. I want to get a payout here, Pandas. Untradeable today. Look at the 5 minute. Right, we got actually outside, inside here. Breakout mode, but I'm not doing anything here. It is breakout mode. It did break to the upside. Maybe test a 20 EMA here. Regardless, I need a setup. There's no setup. If there's no setup, then no joy. I mean, there's nothing you can do. So watch it go without us. The thing about today, even if it's strong breakout bar, it doesn't mean anything. Look at this strong breakout bar. Gets folded. Doesn't mean anything. Strong bull bar gets folded. So you cannot use that today as your advantage. You can't use breakout bar follow throughs as your advantage today. You cannot. It's already proven that it's not good today. No setup here. I mean, it's gonna go up, whatever. There's not much you can do. But the reason why I always wait for the fail second entries, it's just that if I go long here on like the second bull bar, it's just a very low probability. And honestly, I'm not skilled enough to know the difference. You know, between like buying it here and then working out, and like another place where it doesn't work out. I don't know. I can't find one, but maybe people are really looking for a strong reversal in a certain area, and they see the two strong bull bars. They say that's enough for me. Just go long. We do get set up really far from a 20 EMA though. The setup was far away from 20 EMA. I just let it go. Good signal bar to go long. Right at the 240 SMA. Pops up enough to make a new high. Maybe really go up here. I don't know. It's hard to say. It's just too hard to say for me. I don't know. It's just too hard to tell what's going to happen here. The market's been too unreliable on its moves. I was like never green today. I was never green today. I started off with 3 losers in a row. I mean, we're moving. I don't know. Should I go long? Very keen on looking for reversals here. It's not it. It's truly not it. Random second entry long in the midair here. It doesn't even trigger, so never mind. Something's happening. Something's happening. Nothing I'm very interested in, but again, this is not tradable. I mean, look at how many retracements there are. Look at that. Strong bull bar fold, strong bull bar fold, strong bull bar fold, strong bull bar fold. Absolutely untradeable. Okay, what do we got here? I mean, I already know this is not good to take, but huh? I don't know. Come out the 20 May here. What's for lunch? Good question. I don't know. Probably leftovers. I mean, Pandas, home run swing, last trade of the day. Let's go for it. It's the dumbest trade of the year. It really is a bad trade. Do not take this trade. I mean, we are like spike channel, top of channel. It's a bad trade. Very bad trade. Dumbest trade of the year for sure. It's one of those trades like I should just walk away from the computer and just let it do its thing. Like if it's gonna work, it's gonna work. It's a really dumb trade. I should not take this trade. I'm gonna come out break even. It's a really bad trade. All right, let's let one candle finish. I'm curious to see if let one candle finish. Yeah, let's let one candle finish here, and then we'll decide after that. Let's let one candle finish, then we'll decide. Yeah, maybe something nice could happen here. We gotta at least give it a chance, you know. Jimmer, second entries and price action work the same at NQ, MNQ. I mean, I guess technically, like, they should, but I have an overlay, so I'm actually trading the NQ price action with the MNQ contracts. I'm glad I let it cook. Let's see. I might get to where I needed to get to. Previous day's close. Let's see. One time. I let it cook, and as I let it cook. Is it working? I mean, I'm up what, $800, $900 right now on my accounts. You can see top left of your screen where I am on my accounts. It started at 150K. Do I just take my profits here? I just don't feel too good about this. I just don't feel too good about today at all. You know, I'm gonna let the 1 minute finish or the 5 minute chart finish here. It's actually a pretty decent move up, pretty close to my target. Might as well hold. Hold. Hold-ish. Hold. I don't know. Take the take the Gambu. I saw your name, Gamble. Take the bamboo. That made me not want to take my bamboo. That made me want to hold with iron paws, diamond paws here. It's creeping up to it.
Target filled.
Pandas! Easy peasy. Beautiful trade. How many points was that? That was almost 50 points. 43-point trade. Goodness gracious. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's see if we hit our runner. Let's see if we hit our runner. I think we made a 1-to-1 on that trade essentially. Yeah, basically a 1-to-1. Let's see if we hit the 1-to-2. I mean, we're only risking one contract now, so look on my look on my channel. Look up overlay, and you can see a tutorial how to do the overlay. Just type in overlay, you'll be able to find it. I mean, it's one contract. I should just let it ride now. The nice thing about this trade, I had very little drawdown, which was really nice. How does it look like on the 500 tick chart? That must have been an explosion. Yeah, it was like an explosion out of nowhere. I guess let's look at the. This is actually second too long. Okay. It's gonna take me out. Take me out break even here. All good. I could care less. It's the runner. It's a runner. It's one micro, pandas. It's just one micro. Just let it do its thing. Let him cook. Who knows? Might be beautiful. Might be a beautiful move. It might be a beautiful move, guys. It might be just a beautiful move, guys. Might be a beautiful move. All right, what's going on here? Why am I speaking like that? Nobody knows. Ooh, that's good. Higher low would be excellent here. Higher low setup. Let him cook. Give me the higher low. That'll be nice. Ooh, you know what? You know what, pandas? Let's get violent. Let's get violent, shall we? Let's get violent. Uh-oh. That's fine. That's fine. Let's get violent, Pan. Let's get violent. Oh, maybe a little too violent right there. Oh, I got a little too violent. A little too aggro. Ooh, maybe not. It doesn't even trigger. That's the... Okay, there it is. Okay. So whatever happens, happens here. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it. Sure, dilly do do dibba do do dibba do. Whatever happens, happens here, pandas. Whatever happens, happens. We're gonna come out break even on this trade altogether, or we make some delicious bamboo. Oh, it's cooking. Oh, it's cooking. Oh, my goodness. Don't. No! No! All good. It is what it is. It is what it is, pandas. It is what it is. I think that's it, pandas. Are we done for today? I'm down 328, and I feel like I won, though. After that last trade, I feel like even though I'm down 328, I feel like I won today. Goodness gracious. I feel pretty good. That last trade was amazing. Ooh, okay, goes up. I don't know. Should I? Should I? Oh, definitely shouldn't have. Definitely shouldn't have. I'm a little tempted. It's going really sideways now, actually. I'm a little tempted. Let's try one time. Last trade. Win or lose. This is it. Win or lose. This is it. Win or lose. This is it. It's a terrible signal bar. It's a terrible signal bar. Clearly above the 20 EMA still. Win or lose. One time. All right. Thoughts and prayers. I guess I'll put it here or whatever. Win or lose, pandas. And we certainly lost. Wasn't even close. I thought maybe. We stayed above the 20 EMA. I thought it was cooking. I thought it was cooking something here. Ready to explode to the upside. And, oh! Oh! Oh, it's not over till it's over, pandas. It's not over till it's over. Okay, peeking up here. Peeping up here. Can we get a move up, please? One time, one time, one time. I hate trading. I absolutely hate trading. I hate trading. Trading is the dumbest thing in the world. All right, I'm down 468. Not too shabby. It's it's a bad day. My worst day I would say it's gonna be a negative $1,000. So being down 500, not even 500. It's not the worst of the worst. I thought we were cooking something because we're staying above 20 MA, creating like this this boiling pot situation. And I thought we would like get a blast off to the upside here, but um the boiling pot didn't have enough energy to blow the top off, so all good. All good. We'll take the hit. Negative 468. We're still doing pretty good on these accounts, all things considered. And I knew today. Oh, I knew today was gonna be like absolutely ridiculous. Like I knew it was gonna be just diabolical. I knew today was gonna be difficult. So if on a really bad day I'm making negative 468, it's not the worst. Not the worst thing in the world. You know what? It's not the worst thing in the world. It's not the best thing in the world, but it ain't the worst thing in the world either. I think what's more important is the fact that I feel very comfortable just closing the charge today because I just think today's price action is just not there for me. It's not clean enough. It's not healthy enough. Like to me, this is like a sick market. Like the market's sick, and it's been sick for a long time. That's how I look at it, and I just don't want to really trade it anymore. I just like it's really ugly, really ugly. And today is just one of those days. Panda, how hard is to climb trees? Very easy if you're a panda. All right, pandas. I wish it was. I wish climbing your PNL would be as easy as climbing trees, but ain't. Um. Okay. 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 Boiling pot. Boiling again. Now it's a bull flag. Virtually impossible to find. I mean, high or low. I'm gonna try one more time. High or low. I'm gonna look for this boiling pot situation here. If it gives me a higher low here, I'll go long. Give me the higher low one time. Okay. It has a higher low setup here situation. Let's try. Just because it's like boiling up for something here. It's certainly boiling. It might be hard to get the timing right, but I'm gonna try here. Bad signal bar. It's almost better to go short here to get to the bottom of this channel. Should let it go, yeah. You know what you should do is wait for it to actually break out first and jump in after the breakout, yeah. Either that or wait for a fail second entry short. I mean, this is really boiling. Something's happening here. It's getting ready for a big move, in my opinion. We'll try one more trade here just because there's a potential setup. Feels like it's short is my only setup here, in my opinion now. Like I'm not gonna go long that far beneath the breakout area. Feels like it's short here will be my setup if I can get it. Makes a new high. Unfortunate. Unfortunate because I don't think I'm gonna set up here. It might just go without me, but it's all good. Only way I enter here. So if I get a setup in this area, but it's already breaking out. Unfortunate. Uh, it's all good. I think I missed a move. I'm not looking to go long anymore. Pandas, what can you do? You know, you wait patiently. This is all you get. Like you just get this higher low beneath the breakout area. That could have turned ugly real quick. And your second best bet was to wait for fails like I just short. Never happened. Broke out before it could form. And your third best bet is breakout retest. But at that point, who knows? Who knows? This is the move I wanted. I wanted it here, but it had to do this. You know, one more retracement, I guess, for breaking out. Happens often, so you get the fail second just short here, but it's too far away from 20 MA at this point. Curious to see what happens here. If it's like a strong move, I'm just curious. It's not gonna make any difference. Like I'm never gonna take this trade, but just wanted to see. Okay. Okay. Absolutely untradeable. Right, makes a lower low. Absolutely untradeable here. What am I looking for? I don't know. I really don't know. I wanted that move, but just didn't get any setup for it. Um, second entry long, maybe. If it ever can happen, ever in this lifetime, we actually get a second entry long somewhere, a long trend. Like it just never happens. Like we don't get anything here. We don't get anything here. We don't get a second entry short here. We get one second entry long here, but it doesn't really go with trend. I guess you can do like this. We try to take this one, we lose that trade. Cool, cool, cool. Second entry short here works out nicely, but no trend line. Basically, just a test of 20 minute. Get one here, works out decently. Can we get one here one time on the strong uptrend? Second entry long. If we don't get it here, I'm ending it. Huh? Just makes a new high every time, every first entry. No setups whatsoever here. I don't know. Is it worth waiting for a second entry along here? It certainly does look like we're in an uptrend now. We might be in a strong uptrend day today. Essentially creating a hammer off the 20 EMA on the daily chart. Right, bullish hammer. Let's see. This guy, I just want to set up pandas like I'm on a tradable trend. One time today has been a day where it's like the trends have been untradeable. Trend happens, you can never get in. Very frustrating. All right, let's see. Just gonna keep blasting. Maybe always in long on the 5-minute chart. Okay. Second entry long off the 20 EMA. Even a first entry long off the 20 EMA. Yeah, I would take even that. Give me a first entry off the 20 EMA. Like, give me something off some sort of support. Like, that's like we're virtually getting absolutely no entries here. Like, at least come to the 20 EMA with a first entry. Like, I don't care. I'll love it to be a second entry, but first entry, I guess I'll take that too. What in the world? If this makes a new high here, I'm ending it. All right, I'm done. All right, Panis, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. This is untradeable. Like, I cannot get in this trend. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get in it. And it's unfortunate. So I don't know, man. I could wait one more pullback, but jeez, it doesn't even touch the 20 EMA. Doesn't even touch our trend line. It creates a spike in channel, like this own little channel here. So like, am I trading this little channel? No, I can't. It's virtually impossible. Can we get a first entry off the 20 EMA? Can we get a first entry off our trend line? Nope, can't. So it's just like you cannot get in there. By the time you get in, by the time it gives you a setup, it's gonna be too late in trend, and you're gonna get absolutely smoked. I already know it. I see the writing on the wall. The writing is on the wall already. It's gonna be too late in trend, and you're gonna get smoked. Look at this nonsense. This is so nonsense. This is why it's hard to go long anywhere here, because you see this. You expect this to happen. Okay, we tested 20 EMA now. Blast right through it. What the What are you supposed to do here? What are you actually supposed to do here? What am I waiting for here? What am I actually waiting for? No clue. We finally get to the 20 EMA, but we'll go right through it. Create like the smallest bar of all time right here. I'm guessing I'm still bullish, but I wouldn't mind seeing a pullback on the 5-minute chart. Creating a fail second entry short on the 5-minute chart now. You know what was gold up to? Whoa! I should have been trading gold this whole time. Why didn't anyone tell me? I should have been trading gold this whole time. What in the world? What in tarnation? I should have been trading gold this whole time. Wow. Wow. I should have been trading gold instead of this nonsense over here. This absolute trash. It's been trading gold this whole time, yeah. Another second entry long, so late in trend. Okay, failed second entry long here, setting up. I don't even like that. I personally don't even like that. I mean, this is a very strong bull trend. Second entry long, I could try, whatever. I don't like this, pandas. I'm like certain I'm gonna lose this. I'm gonna try anyways. I'm certain I'm gonna lose this though, but I'm gonna try anyways. I'm so certain I'm gonna lose this trade. I'm so certain I'm gonna lose this trade. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this. Like, even if it does work out, I'm just like not much I can do here. It's beneath the 20 minutes. There's just nothing about it I can take. I'm actually looking for a new low. I'm actually looking for this to push one more time down. This could blast off, but unfortunately, it just doesn't fit any of my rules. Right? It's beneath the 20 minute. It's just not it. It's just not it. I mean, I could try. I'm gonna try this trade here. I don't like how it's so far away from 20 MA though. All right, now I'm interested. Now I'm actually interested. Let's take the trap. Let's take the failed trap here. It does trap here. I'm take a failed trap trade here, pandas. Maybe I should just take the trap trade. In general, wow. It is what it is. Such a strong uptrend. This is incredibly strong. The problem is it's far away from 20 MA. And it's kind of getting choppy, right? It's basically creating a triangle at this point. Signal bar is not the best either. I think there are better setups than this, but this could be a decent setup to go long. I guess I'll take H4 if we get it. I don't know. All right, it's a failed trap. I need like a higher low or something. Like, it's hard for me to take this trade. Like, just straight up naked like this. I need like a higher low or a H4. Wait for it. 20 some ticks left. Okay. We don't get our setup, but I think I still wait for the higher low. I think I still wait for the higher low. I think I still wait for the higher low. Don't trigger the pullback here. I guess we don't get the higher low. I guess we don't get it. Okay. Okay. Still doesn't trigger the pullback. It's close, but still doesn't do it. Fine, it does trigger. Maybe creating a second entry long on the 2500 tick. This is why you wait for the higher low, because you want to You want to give it a chance to do this. You're just not good enough. Okay. Second entry long. Hidden second entry long with a 2500 tick. You know, a day like today would create a hidden second entry long. A day like today would do that. Sure. Two bear bars now in a row. I hate to do it, but I'm gonna try one time. I hate to do it, but I'm gonna try one time. Really bad signal bar. I think I'll wait for something better. I want the gold. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Higher or low here. Last trade of the stream, no matter what. Let's get it. Last trade of the stream, no matter what. Let's get it. Okay. 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 It's not very good follow through. That's not very good follow through at all. In fact, that's horrible follow through. Yuck, we lost. Yeah, we lost. The trap train failed. All good. At least we tried. At least we tried, pandas, right? At least we said we could try. We tried. Second entry long here. Could save the day, who knows? Doesn't mean trigger. Can't save the day if it doesn't trigger, you know what I mean? It's a good signal bar. Could get us there, we'll see. I have a feeling it's not. Can we come up break even if we wanted to? Let it cook. Let it cook. Keep letting it cook. Why do I feel like this is gonna be a strong bear bar? Why do I feel like this is gonna be a strong bear bar? Like incredibly strong bear bar. Why do I feel that? Gold. Does trigger second entry long, but it is ugly. Yeah. Yep. Why do I feel like it's gonna be a strong bear bar? I knew it. Last trade of stream, no matter what, so who cares? You either win it or you lose it, pandas. There's only two options here, pandas. Either you win or you lose. It's binary. It is completely binary. Unlike the liberals. All right, let's see. Let's see. Hold. New high hasn't been made yet. New high looking to be made. It's not looking pretty. It's rejecting off of the previous pivot high. I think we're dead here. I think we're dead here. Yeah, I mean, if he can't break out here, Panda's like, what are we doing? Double tops here instead. Double tops here instead. Big rejection off the double top. Big rejection off of it. Yeah, strong bear bars now. It's not a good sign. It's always a bad sign. Closing beneath the 20 MA. We'll see. Hold, I guess. Win or lose. It's binary, pandas. We are binary here. Either you win or you lose. Still have a chance. Look, if we can't get it here, I'm done. Like, if it doesn't do it here, like, when will it do it, honestly? If it reverses again here, like, isn't that bad news for me? Just let it cook. Just let it cook. Just let it cook. Hold original risk here. Ooh, okay. Boy, oh boy. Do I have to hold original risk the entire trade? Do I have to hold original risk the entire trade here, Pandas? I may have to. I may have to hold original risk the entire trade. It looks good on the 5-minute chart. It's a strong bull bar ending near its high. Strong bull bar ending on its high. It's just astonishing we haven't broken out yet. We haven't broken the previous day's high or the previous pivot high yet. Like this pivot high. We haven't broken that yet. It's astonishing. It makes me feel like there's a lot of limit order traders here. A lot of bears waiting here. That's what it makes it feel like. All right, we'll hold original risk. Whatever. It stinks, but may have to do it. All right. Greedy panda. Greedy panda in the house. We're gonna add on to our position here. We're gonna add on to our position here. Greedy panda in the house. Adding on to our position. Taking the risk off on this trade. Second entry long here. We're gonna try, I guess. So I hold original risk, pandas. I don't think I can. I don't think I can hold original risk anymore. Yeah, we'll call it break even. I think we'll call it a day, pandas. I don't think this is gonna do anything. It's astonishing that we haven't broken out yet. So I'm just like, why would I stick around? Nah, this is double top. This is, I don't know, pandas. This is double top written all over it, yeah? This is double top written all over it, yeah? If this is a good signal bar, I'll go long, but jeez Louise. No, thank you. That's annoying though. It's annoying. I almost don't want to watch this because I know I'm going to get absolutely tilted out of my mind. I don't want to watch this because I'm going to get absolutely tilted out of my mind when this explodes to the upside. I gotta see it though. I gotta see. I gotta feel the pain. I gotta feel the pain. Like, honestly, all right, it makes a new high. Whatever. Like the fact that it couldn't do it here, like him retrace one more time. That to me is just like I really don't want to mess with this right now. Like it is just too choppy for me. Even if this does work out, I'm just kind of like, for what at what cost? Like why am I still in this trade? Like why is it taking so long? Why is it so ugly? Why is it another retracement here? Man, I was like, I don't feel bad at all. We'll just take the break even there and just move on. The price action here now is proven to be very diabolical. All right, Pandas. Scruffy made an automated strategy and it's doing well. Congratulations. I hope it continues to do well. Let us know tomorrow. And as I think that's it for today. I can't take any more of this torture. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. So, and it's down 470, not too shabby. I mean, it's a red day today. What can I say? We had a red day today, pandas. Like it's gonna happen, but our general trajectory is upwards. We're up $800 on these accounts, and I'll take it. And yeah. So it is what it is. Pandas, look at this. See, look at this. Let's look at this, pandas. Like struggling to even get there. Double tops. Like, do I really want anything to do with this market? Do I want anything to do with this market? Like, I actually want to go long on gold. That's kind of what I'm waiting for right now. I want the 20 EMA tap. Can we get there though? Can we get there though? I don't know. All right, Panis. Hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. And trade safe, everyone. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.